Here are the vegetables, Grandma.
Thank you, dear. It smells wonderful. Push with the heels of your hands, dear.
Like this?
That's it. Now fold it over.
Okay, Grandma.
The bread is ready. It looks wonderful, dear.
All clean, Grandma.
Thank you, dear. You're a good helper. Goodbye, my dear. Take care.
Goodbye, Grandma. I love you.